Echo Blue, reimagining subaltern women's resistance through digital masks. It's a real pleasure to be here today to share a project with you that is not only creative but also deeply meaningful in terms of its social impact. Echo Blue. This project is inspired by the 2018 Revolution Girls Street protest in Iran, and it explores how we can use digital design to reimagine traditional symbols in the context of contemporary social movements. By integrating dynamic visual patterns, a Morse code-inspired blinking mechanism, and interactive technology, Echo Blue turns masks into a powerful tool for marginalized women to safely express themselves and symbolize their resistance. The inspiration for Echo Blue comes from the traditional niqab veil by women in southern Iran, as well as the work of artist Behnaz Farahi. Particularly her piece Can the Subaltern Speak? Farahi used AI and machine learning to translate the act of blinking into a non-verbal form of communication, opening up new ways for people to express themselves and resist. Building on this concept, my project draws from both historical and contemporary examples of covert communication, like the use of Morse code during the Vietnam War, and how women used it to report domestic violence during the COVID-19 lockdown. These examples show how Morse code, as a hidden yet effective form of communication, not only helps protect people but also serves as a way to resist oppression. Now, let me take you through the technical side of the Echo Blue project and how it works. Echo Blue is an interactive, real-time digital mask project that combines Touch Designer, 3D projection mapping, 3D printing, and a custom Morse code language conversion system I developed. I've designed 3 dynamic digital masks, each capable of receiving real-time text input from users. This text is then converted into Morse code, and the Morse code is turned into audio signals that make the mask's eyes blink in a synchronized rhythm to convey hidden messages to the audience. Here's how the process works. Step 1: Information input and audio signal generation. When a user types something like, "I have been treated unfairly in China. Who can help me?" on a keyboard, the real-time Morse code conversion system I built with Python quickly turns the text into Morse code. These symbols become the basis for the next step, which is generating audio and controlling the animation. Step 2: Text buffering and speech synthesis. I've designed a buffer system to store the text messages in an organized way while they're being entered. I've also integrated speech synthesis technology to convert the Morse code into an audio signal that is played back to the audience. Step 3: Mask animation and synchronization. The digital mask receives the audio signal and syncs the eye blinking animation to the rhythm of the Morse code. I've fine-tuned the mask's eye movements along the y-axis to create the blinking effect. The whole process runs smoothly thanks to a non-blocking system that lets multiple tasks run in parallel, ensuring perfect synchronization between text input, audio output, and the mask's animation. The Echo Blue project not only showcases the innovative fusion of technology and art, but it also represents a profound shift in how marginalized women can make their voices heard. By cleverly integrating Morse code into the dynamic expression of digital masks, I've breathed new life into this ancient and secretive form of communication, transforming it into a powerful medium of expression for today. At the heart of this project is the use of masks and Morse code as a language of collective resistance. Through the dynamic eye movements of the digital masks, silence is transformed into a powerful voice. The audience is invited to participate in the decoding process, deeply experiencing the spirit of resistance and the social values embedded in the Morse code. Moreover, Echo Blue demonstrates how, in the digital age, Marginalized women can use masks to amplify their voices, empowering the voiceless. This project not only paves new pathways for resistance art, merging technology and creativity, but it also highlights the crucial role that technology plays in advancing social progress and freedom of expression. I hope that Echo Blue resonates with you, and together we can reflect on how women from marginalized backgrounds can raise their voices and resist. Thank you all for your attention.